Do you like to wear designer shirts? Or I would ask, do you want to design a shirt to earn money? Well, if your answer is yes, then this is the perfect video for you, as I'm gonna tell you how to make money by using an online platform. But before that, let me start the intro. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. So as I told you guys, in this video we are going to dig deep to know how to make money with Teespring. And if you are watching till now, then buddy, you should watch the video till the end to get the whole out of it. With that being said, let's dive into it. The first question which comes across your mind might be, what is Teespring? Well, Teespring is a legit website where you can design custom t-shirts and other apparel such as hoodies, socks, mugs, etc. using their proprietary design software. So once you create a custom design, you can share a link with your friends who can buy your t-shirt design directly on Teespring. The money, printing, and shipping are all handled by Teespring. Now the question arises, is there any other alternatives of this platform? Are there or not? So the obvious answer is yes, and I will tell you about them later on in this video. So what is the difference? The difference between Teespring and other custom t-shirt design places is that the shirts aren't actually made until you have a minimum order. This way you don't have to buy a bunch of shirts you're not sure will sell or not. All you do is create the design and Teespring handles all the orders, payments, and shipping once a minimum amount of shirts are sold. Then you, as the designer, get a small profit off the orders sold. That's pretty good, right folks? Now I believe you get some idea about the things like how they work and all, but what about the whole process? Well, don't worry guys, I'm here. I will tell you about it. Okay, so let's explore how making money with Teespring works. First of all, like everything, you need to sign up to the website. So here's another question that arises. How to sign up and upload your products? Well, if you want to sign up with Teespring, you'll find that this process is automatic. You can get started with either a Google account or Facebook. As soon as you input your ID, you'll immediately be directed to the page where you can get designing and prepare a product for launch. After signing up, the first thing to do is that you have to make your own store on Teespring. It is important because you have to provide your store location path at the ending of your designed product. If you don't have any store on Teespring, then your product will be listed on the default store location of Teespring. The next step is to select the type of tee that you want to see. You can choose men's tees, unisex, women's, or even long-sleeved tees. This will depend on the product that you are interested in creating with your design. Once you select a type, you'll be given more options including a classic tee, comfort, premium, or a tri-blend. You will then be able to select this t-shirt to sell or add to a listing that you might have already set up. Well, once you have decided on the type of tee you want to sell, it's time to create the design. Designing a product means that you have to submit your own design for your product. This is like a printing design, which you can see on a t-shirt and other items. You cannot copy and paste the design from the internet because of the copyright, so it will be better if you make your own custom design that is attractive and eye-catching. You can also use the Canva to make a beautiful design with an easy drag and drop feature. It is free, secure, and reliable to make any graphic design. But remember, it's not completely free, but you can use some of the free stuff to make your design. Okay, so once you have a design, you need to create the listing. This is how it's going to appear on the store website. You can select a title, description, and a URL. You will also be able to select the type of images that you want to show to your buyers. Once you hit publish, the listing will be live and your t-shirt will be available to purchase from the store. You get the level of profit you've chosen, and the site handles everything, including the production of the t-shirts as well as shipping. You can then add your design to more than 50 products and add as many as you like to your listing. At the same time, you'll be able to choose the level of profit that you want to make on each one. For example, the Teespring base cost of the shirt is $10, but if you increase the price and make it $20, then you will earn $10 profit after selling that product. You have to set a little bit higher price for all your products if you want to earn profit. But remember, don't set your product price way too high, otherwise it'll be difficult for the customer to purchase it. Simply make it reasonable for earning a profit. The next step will be naming your campaign. Well, to achieve higher sales, you need to run ad campaigns. So for that, give your campaign a compelling title and description. Then set the length of your campaign, which can range from 3 to 21 days. If you meet your goal by the time the campaign ends, Teespring prints and mails your shirts to your customers. Then comes the best part. They pay you the profits via PayPal. Well, have you received a profit on Teespring by selling a product? Now, are you wondering how you can withdraw money from Teespring? If so, then getting payment on Teespring is quite simple as you think. When a customer purchases your designed product, then you will earn a certain profit from it. You can see your earned profit on Teespring from the payout section. Now, if you think you have enough money on your Teespring account and want to withdraw, then you have to provide a payment method. You can use your either PayPal or Payoneer account to get paid from Teespring. Simply register your payment method on Teespring and withdraw money directly to your selected account. Well, there can be one of the reasons you might be put off setting up your own t-shirt business is the issue with handling customers. Well, with Teespring, this is taken care of. You won't have to worry about any feedback or trouble with customers because the company team will be responsible for this. All you need to do is publish your product and collect your profit. On the other side, Teespring also provides a number of options that could be beneficial to t-shirt sellers, particularly when they are just starting out. For instance, there are pricing discounts available. This provides you with a great way to get a higher profit margin. Now, at the end, I have some pros and cons of Teespring that might help you to decide whether to start or not. Pros: you only have to create the design. Teespring will handle the creating, paying, shipping info on their end. This is a huge space saver from the days you had to store t-shirt inventory in your garage. You get paid per t-shirt, you can set your own price for your designs, and that profit goes to you. So if you love creating t-shirts, you can make quite a bit of money. Cons: even if you create the best t-shirt design ever, you have to market it completely on your own, meaning you have to email it to all of your friends or create Facebook ads to drive traffic to Teespring's website for people to buy your t-shirt. You're limited on the amount of space you can design on the front and back of the shirt. This makes it easier for Teespring to print onto shirts, but prohibits super creative designs that take up the entire shirt, so no sleeve designs or anything like that. However, apart from Teespring, there are many other t-shirt design companies you can try. There are several popular alternatives such as Threadless, Zazzle, Designed by Humans, and others. Well, with this, I would like to end this video. That's it for the day, guys. I wish you luck, that you start making money as soon as possible, and also let us know when you got your first sale. It would be very appreciated if you share this video as much as you can and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a video from us. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.